that your stepper controller program is installed and operational, we will start exploring its workings. In this segment, we will go over the software and the hardware that make up the controller. In the videos that follow, we will examine in detail how to use the stepper controller to control your Meccano models. The stepper controller window is divided into 4 parts: the direct control tabs, the teach toolbar, the teach sequence, and the menu bar. The direct control tabs give you immediate control over the electromechanical components. When you click on a motor button, its corresponding motor immediately responds. You can close or open a relay with a simple click of a button. With these tabs, you can easily control your models without great effort. The Teach toolbar gives you the opportunity to record the positions you want your model to move to. Each recorded position is entered as a step in a Teach sequence. Then, by clicking on the Run button, the model will go by itself through all the recorded positions. The Teach sequence panel shows all the steps that have been recorded. The various buttons in the toolbar allow you to edit a sequence, save it to your computer's hard drive, or read a previously stored sequence in the computer drive and transfer it to the stepper controller hardware. In a later video, we will cover all these functions in detail. All the buttons have tooltips. This means that when you leave the mouse pointer over a button for a short period of time, you will see a short description of what the button does. The stepper board serves as the interface between your computer and your Meccano model. It accepts the requests from your computer and then translates them into action. This is the power connector of the stepper board. To power it up, you will need a 12-volt, 3 amps power supply, which you can get in any electronics supply store. Here, you will plug the USB cable that connects the stepper board to the computer. This is the reset switch. In this area of the board, you plug the motors. The board accepts up to 4 motors. Here, you connect the switches. The stepper board has space for 8 switches. This is the section where you plug the LEDs, and here you connect the devices you want to control with the solid-state relays. This is the power on indicator. It lights up when power is applied to the board. These 2 LEDs indicate that data is being transferred between the stepper board and your computer. It is important to note that you should not connect your board directly to the network connector of your computer, a router, or any other device that accepts an RJ45 connector. For each motor you purchase, you will receive its mounting plates, 2 screws, and a pinion. Before you start using the motors, attach them to the mounting plate using the supplied screws. Keep in mind that the pinion we supply with the motors have a slightly smaller bore than the standard Meccano pinion. After you mount the motors on the plate, you can fit the pinion using a standard set screw. The holes on the supplied plates have standard spacing, so it is very easy to incorporate the motors into your Meccano models. In the training material that you downloaded from our website, www.code7tech.com, you will find the model plans for the trolley we will be using in these tutorials. We suggest that you build the trolley car now before continuing with the next video.